So here we are, the Essen Techno Classica 2025. A little video to show you some of the BMWs on display here today. Here we have the W10 M5 prototype. That's test driven by Mike Fernie on Drive Tribe. BMW M3 Cabriolet, 786 built worldwide apparently. Got the flared arches on it, the M seats. Manual gearbox. With DTM style arches. ABS alloys on it as well. BMW 2002 Turbo. BMW 320 Cabriolet E30. BMW 850i Coupe. BMW Z1 Roadster. Those electric doors. Doors down on this side. BMW 850 Coupe, silver this one, black leather trim. BMW E34 M5. BMW M1 for sale, €590,000. There's the M1 from the rear. BMW 323i. An Alpina B10.
Ja, also Originalfarbe. Ja. Ja, es steht da vorne.
B7 again. In the rear. 535. M535i. M635, I think that was. And the W10 again. Prototype. Here we have the E10 Alpina and the W10 M5. BMW 850i automatic in blue, leather interior. BMW E30 320i Cabriolet, badged up as an M, but it's not an M3. Tartan trim, a windstop on it. Z1 Roadster, based on the E30 chassis. Camo seats. There's roof downs and red backs on them. Z3 Roadster in black. Black leather trim. BMW 2002 Targa in yellow. BMW Z4 2.5 SI in dark green. And we have a lorry full of BMW touring cars. Steve Soper's car there. An E30 DTM. BMW 316 Cabriolet. 325e E30. E36 M3. BMW M1. M1 chassis. Alpina B12. BMW 840. There's F1 Roadster, this one in dark green, a beige interior. Doors down on this side, going to the sill.